How can I keep my team up to date with important tasks? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new task in Google Tasks. Then we'll be sending that information as a channel message in Slack. Alright, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be new task to Slack message. I'm going to select my trigger by clicking in the trigger box. My triggering app is going to be Google Tasks. And the event is going to be new task. I'm going to make sure I'm connected to Google. If you have any questions about connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. The task list that I want this workflow to follow is the My Tasks list. I'll test my trigger. We have a new task, which is a fire drill, and this has details about the fire drill. So we'll use this to build our workflow. So I'll click continue. My action step is going to be in Slack, and the event is going to be to send a channel message. Make sure I'm connected to Slack. The channel that I want to post this task to is going to be my test channel. Obviously, you would select the channel that was appropriate to receive tasks for your company. The message text is going to come from that trigger. So we'll use the title, colon, enter, the notes, enter, and the due date. The bot name is going to be the name that you see that sends the task. So we'll call this new task. If I wanted to, I could use an emoji or an icon to represent those new tasks, but I'm going to leave those blank for now. And this is not going to be a part of a current thread, although I could have these all be a part of a task thread, and so then all of these messages would go to that same thread. Click continue. I'm going to test this action, and it looks like we have a success. So I'll click continue. I'll check our Slack channel, and here we have new task, fire drill. There'll be a fire drill on Tuesday, 2 p.m. Don't be alarmed. Calmly follow the flashing lights and exit the building. Do not go home. And then it has the date that the fire drill is going to take place on. So, simple workflow, but looks like it's set up correctly. You can go back to the workload editor, check and make sure there's a green dot in each of my nodes, and I can activate this workflow. So now, every time there's a new task in that specific task list, it will take the details of that task and send it as a channel message in Slack. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that takes new Google tasks and sends them as channel messages in Slack. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel. Or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.